A light through the darkness. Alex, a young professional, had always been a high achiever. But lately, everything felt like a struggle. Sleepless nights turned into groggy mornings. His once pristine apartment now mirrored his inner chaos, cluttered, unkempt, and cold. Despite walking through bustling city streets daily, Alex felt invisible, isolated in a sea of strangers. His journal, once filled with dreams and goals, now bore the weight of his despair, scrawled with phrases like, "Why bother?" and "I'm so tired." One morning, Alex found himself staring into the bathroom mirror, his reflection as strangers. "What happened to me?" he whispered. In a moment of vulnerability, he searched online. How to overcome depression? The countless stories of others sparked a glimmer of hope. Later, a text from his best friend lit up his phone. "I'm here for you always." It was a simple message, but it felt like a lifeline, reminding Alex that he wasn't alone. Taking his friend's advice, Alex scheduled an appointment with a therapist. Sitting across from a kind, understanding professional, he felt a tiny crack in the wall he'd built around his emotions. For the first time in months, he voiced his feelings. His therapist suggested small steps, including journaling positive thoughts and exploring medication if necessary. Later, Alex picked up a prescription, understanding that healing was not a weakness but a courageous step forward. On a sunny morning, Alex ventured to a nearby park. For the first time in a long while, he looked up at the sky, noticing the golden rays piercing through the clouds. He began spending time outdoors, reading books he once loved, and tending a small garden on his balcony. Watching the tiny green sprout emerge from the soil mirrored his own budding hope. As weeks turned into months, Alex reconnected with old friends over coffee, their laughter rekindling memories of simpler times. He embraced his family's support, sharing hugs that felt like home. Volunteering at an animal shelter became a weekly ritual, and the wagging tails of grateful dogs brought an unexplainable joy to his heart. Slowly but surely, Alex was building a life filled with meaning and connection. One crisp autumn morning, Alex stood atop a hiking trail, arms outstretched, breathing in the fresh mountain air. He had reached the summit, both literally and metaphorically. His smile was no longer forced. It radiated peace and contentment. At home, surrounded by sunlight and the warmth of his thriving plants, Alex flipped through an old photo album. He reflected on his journey, not with regret, but with pride in how far he'd come. Alex's story is a testament to the resilience of the human spirit. From the depths of despair to a life filled with light, he learned that reaching out, taking small steps, and embracing support can turn darkness into a guiding star. Now, he uses his story to inspire others, reminding them that no matter how heavy the storm, the sun always returns. If you find this content helpful, please like and share it with your friends who might benefit from it, and subscribe to our channel for more videos.